Good morning, students. Today we are going to start part 3 of the chapter Air. This is the chapter number 4 of your class in geography. So in this chapter, in the previous video, we discussed about the layers of atmosphere. Now in this video, we will talk about the atmospheric conditions and different kinds of phenomena of weather. First of all, we'll start the topic weather and climate. What is weather and what is climate? So first of all, we'll discuss about this. See, today how is the weather? Weather is very good, weather is very bad, right? It is okay. So many times you talk to each other and you also observe the people talking about weather. What is weather? Now at this time 12 o'clock, it is sunny day, right? Hot, very hot day, sunny day. After that at 12:20 clouds come in the sky, clear, and at 12:30 it is rain. So these are the sudden changes in the atmosphere, in the condition of atmosphere, right? So because in the previous videos we discussed about atmosphere, so changes in the conditions of atmosphere suddenly, hour to hour, day to day, is called weather. See the definition. Sudden changes in the conditions of the atmosphere is called weather. As I told you that at 12 o'clock it is sunny, 12:20 it is cloudy, and 12:30 it is raining. Again at 1 p.m. it is sunny, right? So this is the hour to hour. Today it is not rain, clear? Tomorrow it will be rain. Weathering forecast, we will know about this, that how will be the weather tomorrow, what kind of weather is today, what kind of weather was yesterday. So this is the hour to hour, day to day changes in the conditions of atmosphere. So you have to remember the definition. Sudden changes in the conditions of the atmosphere is called weather, right? So it is for short period. Weather is for short period. Changes in the temperature, changes in the atmospheric conditions is called weather because it is measured for short period. Now what is climate? Climate: humid climate, hot climate, cold climate. In this way it differs from weather because the weathering conditions or the condition of the atmosphere can change the mind of human being. If it is good weather, it is pleasant, breezy, so you will be happy. If it is hot, humid climate, humid weather, so your mind will be disturbed. So in the same way, climate is very important factor of a particular area. What is climate? Weathering conditions for a long time are measured, and the calculation of weathering conditions for a long time in a particular area approximately for 30 years, right? Approximately for 30 years or more, 30 years or more. So longer period, clear? For a longer period, the weathering conditions are called climate. For example, Indian climate, it is monsoon type of climate. Why? Because approximately for 4 months, 120 days, it is rainy season in India from June, July, August and September. After the retreating means monsoon, it comes out from India, but for approximately 120 days it is monsoon season or rainy season. So this is why that Indian climate is called monsoon type of climate, because it is affected. Most of the months of in India are affected due to monsoon or rain. So in this way, what is climate? The average weather condition of a place for a longer period is called climate of that place. Means in a particular season, we can say that it can take the form of seasons. In a particular season, the temperature will be having a particular range, clear? For example, in summer, temperature will be more than 30 degrees Celsius, up to 45, sometimes 48 degrees Celsius, 49 degrees Celsius. But in winter, right, In winter, temperature will be in the decreasing form. For example, maximum temperature you will find in December and January 25 degree Celsius, sometimes 20 degree Celsius, and sometimes it can be in minus 40 degree Celsius at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir. So in this way we can conclude that what is climate? Climate is the sum of the weathering conditions of a particular area for a long period. It's very simple to understand climate. So climate is the sum of the weathering conditions for a long time. Weather is day to day, hour to hour, changes in the conditions of atmosphere, that is called weather. So climate is means counted for a long time, weather is for short time. This is the way according to the definition, both of the definitions we have discussed. So climate and weather. Now we'll discuss about the next topic, temperature. Now the next topic is temperature. What is temperature? So many times you talk about temperature daily, right? It's very high temperature, it is very low temperature, right? And temperature also, you measure the temperature with the help of Celsius in degrees, clear, degree Celsius. So what is temperature? First of all we have to see the definition. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is called temperature. What is the means temperature of air? That is defined. What is the degree Celsius? Means it is hotness in air, it means temperature is high. It is coldness in air, temperature is low. So temperature defines the hotness and coldness of air, that how much coldness is there in air. It means you will find what is the temperature of that particular area. How much hotness is in the air, you will see the temperature, you will observe the temperature of that particular area. So sometimes temperature is very high, sometimes temperature is very low, and the first thing, changes in seasons also. There is a change in temperature day to day. Sometimes it is very high temperature day, sometimes it is low temperature day. So temperature is not only changed during the days, day to day, night to night, day and night, also changes according to the seasons. For example, before a short while I told you that during winter temperature comes down. During hotness means summer, temperature goes high. Clear? So this is the change in the temperature during the seasons, according to seasons. Clear? Distribution of temperature, where the temperature will be high, where at which place temperature will be low. So this thing is called distribution of temperature. So distribution of temperature is affected by insolation. Affected by insolation. What is insolation? For example, this is sun. This is earth and sun. Sun rays comes on earth. This is the heat from sun. This is the energy from sun. It is called solar energy, right? So this solar energy coming on the earth, intercepted by the earth, it is called insolation. And it is, the rate of insolation is high on equator. Clear? And it decreases. Here it is the highest rate of insolation, and it decreases towards pole, north pole and south pole. It decreases towards polar regions in this way. Here it's very high, and here it will be in the decreasing form. So this is the reason that on equator, in this area, it is very hotness. Hot climate is there in this area. Very high temperature is there in this area. But on the polar areas, this is very low temperature, and coldness is felt and experienced in the polar regions. So you have to remember, with the increasing isolation, temperature will be increased. With the decreasing isolation, rate of isolation, temperature will be decreased. So this thing you have to remember forever. This was about temperature. And temperature is very high in the cities in comparison of villages, because of concrete and buildings, right, get very hot due to the solar energy or sun rays. And In the villages it is low temperature in comparison of cities. So temperature decides the cropping system in India, the agriculture and various kinds of other activities in different parts of our country. And temperature is also very important factor of monsoon, as we have talked about it. And so this is the reason that temperature is very important thing, and the measurement of temperature is done in Celsius, degrees Celsius. Clear? Like this, 30 degree Celsius. Clear? So you have to remember this. Now we'll discuss about air pressure. Clear? So this is the last topic of today's video. You have to listen very carefully. What is air pressure? Pressure. With the name you can identify air pressure. It is air pressure. Air pressure is the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. It means weight of air. Air has a weight, and this puts the pressure on the earth's surface is known as air pressure. For example, sometimes you observe or you experience the pressure from air, and but you do not feel it because the air pressure comes from all the directions, right? In this way your body exerts that pressure, exerts the balance of pressure, so you do not feel means most of the times. But if the pressure from one side, air pressure from one side is very high, one side is very low, then the air will push you back. Understand? In this way you can understand what is air pressure. This is the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. It is known air pressure. The temperature is the deciding factor of air pressure. For example, why the temperature is deciding factor? Because temperature, if temperature is very high, then there will be low pressure. High temperature, low air pressure. Why? Temperature is low, then high pressure. High pressure. Because see, high pressure means temperature low, and low pressure means temperature is very high. It means more temperature, low pressure. Low temperature, high pressure. Why? Because of if it is temperature high, the air will be light. Clear? The weight of air will be decreased after the hotness in the air. And if it is low temperature, the air will be heavy, and then it will be high air pressure. Always air moves from high pressure to low pressure. High to low. Clear? Why? Because for example here is low pressure. It means temperature is very high. Temperature is very high. The air will be light and it will come up. And this is the high pressure, low temperature. It will take the place of this air. So in this way, air always move from high to low pressure areas, and the air pressure is defined by the temperature. If temperature is low, the air pressure is very high. If temperature is high, the air pressure will be low. So this is the thing about air pressure. I hope that you understood about air pressure, and you have to revise the topics whatever we have covered in this video, and watch this video again, revise the topics, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.